Hello, and welcome to Technical Learning, powered by McAfee. In this video, we'll present how to add the data streaming bus to your ESM environment. Once the DSB boot process completes, you're presented with the displayed interface. Press Escape to access the menu. A tree of the menu is displayed on the screen. Then navigate down and select Management IP Configuration. Select IP address. Set the IP address you would like and press Enter once complete. Continue this process for NetMask, Gateway, and DNS1. Navigate down and select Done when completed. Finally, navigate to select Save Changes. Once the McAfee text is displayed again, the configuration is complete. We now continue the installation from the ESM GUI. From the ESM dashboard, click the menu button and select Data Streaming Bus. Click Add. Using the IP address from the device configuration, we can set up and key the DSB for use. Note, you can only add one data streaming bus device. Right-click on the device and select Settings to add or change the device information, such as description, key management, network interface, connection, and management. Connect the data streaming bus to other McAfee ESM devices. Select the data streaming bus, click Connect Device to see available McAfee ESM devices, and select Device and click Save. For this demonstration, we'll add all devices to the DSB. As you can see, all devices are currently selected and communicating to the data streaming bus. This concludes the demonstration.